Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-08004 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged in to the SQL Plus editor as a common user called c#scott. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. Okay, now what I am going to do, select star from employees 2. So employees 2 table I want record. So let me insert employees to values. So employee number column I am going to use sequence. For employee number column I am going to use the sequence to generate the values. So this is the sequence name. So this is a sequence name. emp2 sequence.NEXTVAL comma name of the employee. That's it. Enter. So you can see that I am creating multiple rows. Yes, finally I am getting the error. ORA-08004 sequence exceeds max value and cannot be instantiated, which means that the sequence has reached the maximum value. Okay, so it cannot be instantiated. So what I am going to do, I am logging as a sysdba and executing the query. Select star from dba underscore sequence, where sequence name equal to emp2 sequence. Okay, so this I am executing in SQL developer. So here you can see that, so it had a maximum value of 100. Okay, so it had reached the maximum value. So what I am going to do, I am going to alter this sequence. So I am going to alter this sequence. I am going to increase the maximum value. So I am going to increase the maximum value. Let it be 150. Okay. Okay. Sequence is altered successfully. Now once again I try to insert the record. Yes, I can able to insert the record. So this is the fix for ORA-08004. This is the fix for ORA-08004 issue, and now you can see maximum value is updated.